And we are dealing with extreme heat, a heat advisory in effect across Houston as temperatures feel like 110 degrees in some areas. This heat causing COVID-19 testing sites to close in Harris County for the day. Also, the governor extends his emergency declaration for Texas. Hello, welcome to Friday. I'm Len Cannon. We'll check in with David Paul about the heat in a moment, but first, the heat forced all 7 Harris County COVID-19 testing sites to close early to protect workers and patients. Adam Bennett shows us what's changing in the week ahead to keep testing at full capacity.
At Pridgeon Stadium in Northwest Harris County this morning, the early bird beat the heat and the testing cutoff.
Even on a normal day when we don't have a heat advisory, it is very hot to be in the full PPE that has to be worn by our staff members out there that are conducting the testing. We know that we have to do rotations every 15 to 20 minutes just to keep them out of their own pools of sweat.
Harris County closed all of its fixed and mobile COVID-19 testing sites at noon because of the heat advisory. Those sites can test 2,500 people total each day. Today, they tested just under 1,600.
We are continuing to try to figure out a way to meet the capacity of testing despite the heat.
Houston's health department runs 2 major fixed testing sites. They stayed open until they hit their daily capacity of 650 tests each. That happened just before 1 this afternoon at both sites.
This is one of those exceptional times when bringing people together is not necessarily in their best interest.
So this year, Houston is only opening cooling centers with COVID-19 screening during emergencies. None opened today. Instead, Reliant is donating $80,000 to give portable AC units to those in need. That way, they can keep cool at home. You can call the Houston Health Department if you need one. Adam Bennett, KHOU 11 News.
All right, now let's check in with David Paul. David, I know it's Houston in July, but you'd like to remind everybody never to take this kind of heat lightly.
Absolutely. Well, even just typical summer heat in Houston can be dangerous, but this is exceptional. Heat advisory has been extended. Originally, they had issued it through this evening at 7 o'clock. They've already extended it through tomorrow at 7 o'clock, and it may be extended through Sunday, as it doesn't look like we're going to get any change in this hot weather pattern over the next 36, 48 hours. Current temps 95 at Bush, Tomball 97. It doesn't sound that bad, but factor in that humidity. Feels like 111 at Conroe. Hobby feels like 111. That is dangerous heat, and thus the heat advisory has been issued. And this weekend, no relief. Air temperatures will reach 100 tomorrow, 101 on Sunday, while it feels like 110. We'll talk more about how to stay safe during this heat wave and more dust on the way. Back with that in a few minutes.
Oh.